So today we are going to be unboxing the School Pro X-ACTO Sharpener. Let's take a look and see how it does. Okay, so here we have the X-ACTO School Pro Electric Pencil Sharpener. It has a longer blade life, flyaway cutter, classroom quiet, 10-year warranty. That intrigues me. After hearing that one of my favorite artists is currently using this and likes it, Lisa Clow of Lockery Fine Art, I decided to give it a try, and I'll have a card pop up above for you to check out her channel. So I got on Amazon and I found it and I ordered it, and I'm pretty excited to try this out on my colored pencils. It says it's usage for heavy usage and Ultimate 12 performance. And it has an extra large bin for the shavings, which is nice. You don't have to dump it real quick. And the 10-year warranty. And X-ACTO is a really good company, so we'll see how this goes. Let's see what we got here. Okay, right off the bat, we've got our manual on top. And then we also have, this would be our warranty card, so that I can send this in and have my warranty. Let me move that out of the light there. Little instruction guide here with the features. I don't know if that's going to focus. Come on. Quiet operation, automatic pencil stop. That was important when I heard that. What automatic pencil stop means is that when you're sharpening your pencil, it's not going to keep sharpening and eat your pencil up. As soon as it's got the point, it'll stop the sharpening process.
By the way, she's a Lockery Fine Art fanatic.
So, okay. And it's electric, so yay, no batteries. So there's all of our information. So let's see what we have in the box. It's very heavy. So here's the cord, part of the cord. Okay. We'll pull this up. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Now I know it's anti-slip. Oh yeah. So it has these little suction cups on the bottom. Whoop! And I dropped the camera. Yay. There's the suction cup, so it'll hold down on a surface. Okay. A nice, huge bin here.
I'll hold the camera for you.
Thanks. For the sharpening. My daughter is helping me out with the camera here. But another feature I liked, I'm going to raise the camera up a little. I don't know if we can see this. I'm going to bring the light over here towards the front. It has different sized holes. So I'm hoping my Derwent Drawing and my Caran Luminance will sharpen in this nicely. There's also a triangular opening for those triangular pencils. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and we'll see how this works. Okay, I'm back, and I thought I'd show you what I normally use. This is my Helix A5. It's absolutely wonderful. You can adjust how sharp you want your pencil, and I use that mainly for my graphites. It doesn't work too well for me with anything else, but I love it for my graphites. For my colored pencils, my Polychromos and also my large Kimberly A5 or Kimberly 9XXB, I use the Coom Magnum Sharpener. And this does a wonderful job for the larger pencils and for the Polychromos, but it doesn't work on the other ones. For Prismacolor, which are really finicky, I use this Alvin brass bullet, and this is absolutely wonderful. I haven't had problems with my Prismas. And then I also have the Coom 2-stage long point sharpener, and this has little sharpeners for my clutch pencils as well to sharpen the lead, but this works out really nice too. So let's see how the X-ACTO School Pro does and how quiet it is. So I'll start off with just simply one of my Staedtler Mars Lumograph pencils. Up, and it stopped. Not too bad. Excuse the band-aid, I injured myself again and chipped my nail polish. Yay! Okay, so let's try.
Mommy, that was loud.
Okay, so let's try next a Polychromos pencil and see how it does with that. I'm going to scooch that back a little. Oh, that's nice. I've got a nice sharp point on that. I really like that. Okay. Now, holding my breath, I'm going to try one of my Caran Luminance pencils. Little too small, so we'll change the dial to a larger size here. Not bad at all. You did a good job. Okay. And now a softer lead, one of my Derwent Drawing pencils. Hey! I've been having problems with these lately because they're so soft. But that's not too bad. That's nice. Okay. And now I'm going to try something a little different. Derwent Inktense. See how that goes. Beautiful. Very, very happy with that. I have trouble with those as well. And now I'm going to set this a little smaller here and go back to, I think, this one. Prismacolors are notorious for breakage. So let's see how the Prismacolor Premier Softcore works. Okay, I can't complain about that. No breakage and a nice point. And my last test here is another pencil that's prone to breakage. This is a CarbOthello Pastel Pencil. And it's just not going to focus. So let's give this a try, see what happens. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That is really nice. It looks like I have a winner here. I am very happy with this. So it sharpened all of those pencils. Now let's see the big one, the Kimberly. Wow. That is the sharpest point I've ever seen on my Kimberlys. That is beautiful. Well, for first impressions, I really have to say, I think I'm going to like this. Have you used the X-ACTO School Pro? If you have, let me know what you think of it in the comments. And I will see you next time. Now be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.